We'll be replacing the battery for the Motorola MPM-100. You will need a cross screwdriver for this. Remove each screw from the corners of this cover. Replace the old battery with the new Cameron Sino battery. Make sure to align the connectors correctly. Place the cover back and screw it back on tightly. The Motorola MPM100 is a fantastic device for cashless payment, whether in a retail store or for delivery drivers. It will accept chip and pin-based credit cards. It also accepts loyalty cards and mobile NFC, making this a perfect modern contactless payment operator.